Hi, my name is Matilda, and I'm starting my own business called Matilde Devs. Come along and watch me set up the profiles so that I can start posting. What have I gotten done so far? My logo. This is in no way sponsored, but I found this website called Luca where you can buy a logo and it comes with a bunch of templates like social covers, profile pictures, websites, and it literally has a editable, downloadable template. I hope there's at least like a 2-minute content in this hour or 2 hour that I'm filming. Great. So I'm using Zoho Mail, and I've been trying to design my email template so that every time I email, it has a specific template. It's free for the first 5 gigabytes of mail, and you can make signatures. There's also a bunch of other stuff like Zoho Sheets, contracts, calendar. I love it. It worked. So email done, and now we have to move on to making my YouTube's profile pictures and then my Instagram bio, and I think it's all set for me to start making my website. Normally when photoshopping pictures, I just Google what I want to do, like for example resizing an image. This is me trying to figure out how to shrink the image so that it can fit perfectly in the bar. Here I'm using Figma. It's my go-to designing website. It's also where I design all my websites and apps. There's a lot of functions I like. For example, the components one, which is what I'm doing right now. It lets you lock in multiple pieces together. So this is my final look. It's got some text on it. Instagram. This is definitely not clickable yet. It will be when the website's up. For my Instagram, it'll say, maybe I'll change it, maybe I won't, but this is what it's gonna say. By the time I post this, I'll probably have a website up, which you guys can go check out and maybe drop a message. Bye.